You guys really liked my previous videos on using Google Nano Banana Pro for free, so today I'm bringing 10 different methods in one video. First is Signup AI. It gives you daily free credits to generate images. The only downside is it adds a watermark to the images, but I've already shown how to remove it in another video. Next is Spark AI. You get 100 free credits and can generate around 2 images daily. Yes, there's a watermark here too. Now comes Trickle AI. You get around 70 credits daily, means you can generate 4 or 5 images every day. Next is Musette AI. You can generate images directly inside your workspace. But the BS part is this: character consistency. You upload your character just once, and after that you can keep generating images in the same workspace without uploading it again. You get around 300 free credits, which is enough for about 10 images. Now this one is completely different. Ulined. It's actually popular for Nano Banana Pro prompts, but not just prompts. You can also try them directly on the platform. You get around 1,000 credits to start with, and if you sign up using my link, you'll get some extra credits as well. But there's still a limit on how many images you can generate. Now let's move to Floweth. You get around 300 welcome credits, and you can generate up to 4K images. Plus, for the first 5 days, you keep getting extra free rewards. Next is Google Flow. Here, you can generate around 25 images daily without using credits. And when you hit the limit, you can switch to Google Gemini. You can check my previous video to get a Gemini business account. Then we have Arena AI. You can generate 5 images continuously, and the limit resets every hour. And finally, Yup AI. You get 5,000 credits instantly after sign-up. You can also compare Nano Banana Pro with other AI models. And after voting, you can earn even more credits. And one more thing. I signed up on all these platforms using a simple email method that I explained in my previous video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in next one.